Nahla's first steps at a park. She's tiny. Come on. This way. Come on. Come on. Come on. As you can see, she don't listen. Hey. I'll put her down for a second. Alright, you're getting the biggest stick here. Come on. Let's go. Come on. This leash don't really work. I know. This thing doesn't work, does it? I'm yanking on it. Come on. Come on. This way. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. I don't think so. Pick it back up. Walking. I'm holding her. Oh well. What you doing, girl? Yep, off the leash. So you don't like a leash, do you? Come on, this way. Come on. Oh, now you walk behind me? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Getting you a stick? Come on, let's go. Come here. Come on. Come here. Oh, look at her. Sniffing everything. What you doing with that pine cone? Hey, give me that pine cone. Come here. Give me the pine cone. Get it. Ready? Get it. Good girl. You found your pine cone. Get it. Now she's walking next to me. There you go. Where you at? Find you a stick? Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Hey. Nahla. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. She's right next to me. Been like this for like 10 minutes. No leash. She's loving it. Getting her face all dirty. Come on. Sure to use her water bowl, so thank you, Papa. I know. You're so excited to be off the leash and running. Come on. You doing okay? Come on. Good girl. Good girl. You just hear the little bell. Bidding, bidding, bidding. She's doing so well. It's her first time out on the trail. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You're doing so good. Doing so good. I'm proud of you, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. You getting tired? Good girl. Oh my goodness. Ooh, let me not step on her. Sorry for all the weird camera angles, everybody. She just keeps roaming around me. Good girl. You still itching? You itching? I know. You're so small. You blend in. Good girl. You're doing so well. I'm proud of you. Your nose is tracking up a scent, huh? Food. Come on. Come on. You're doing so good. Doing so good. Come on. Look at her. I love it. My little buddy. Little jumps. We're going to the water. Oh, you're peeing in the nature? Oh, man. This is my trail. Good girl. Oh my goodness. Proof she's using her little bowl. Good girl. Down here by the water for the first time. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come here. Hey. You wanna play in it? You gonna jump in the water? Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo. It's cold, isn't it? Oh. You don't mind it, do you? Come on. Come here. No, let's get out of that water. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. You play in the water? Come on. Come here. You can walk. Give me that. Hey. Come on. Sitting pretty. Want some of your water?